My name is Reitz. I'm the general manager of The Ordinary in Charleston, South Carolina. The Ordinary is a southern seafood hall in an old bank. We're serving the fish, oysters, crabs of North Carolina, South Carolina, and the eastern seaboard. The bar program is geared towards really kind of light, bright, approachable, aperitif-style cocktails, and we tend to veer a little bit more toward rum since we're here on the coast. Classic Rum Daiquiri, a drink that is deceptively simple. I love the daiquiri because, it's hard to find a daiquiri that's been done really well. It is a silver rum shaken with freshly squeezed lime juice and simple syrup, which is equal parts sugar and water. We shake that aggressively over ice and then double strain it into a coupe glass. A coupe is kind of like a cocktail martini glass, but it's got curved edges and just a very elegant stemmed glass. Yeah, it's been very tame today. We're very lucky.